This is Bill North of the Florida Weekend Warriors, and in this video we're going to troubleshoot a Dometic water heater. It's a 6-gallon electric propane model, and it works on propane but not on electric. So we're going to troubleshoot it, give you the model number, and we think it's a control board, so stay tuned. So this thing was like $60 on Amazon, and it's a generic one. There's a whole bunch of models that this fits. So this was like 60 bucks. So look in the description for your exact model number. So I will put the model number down below. When you buy it off Amazon, that it fits your model. And I'll put this. So right here is the control board, and the heating element is behind this thing. And this is basically a weather protector, because when you take this plug out to flush it, you don't want water to getting on that element. And this is a flea collar, and a lot of people put these in their water heaters to keep the spiders out of this ventry tube. To troubleshoot it, you got to take this cover off so you get access to the heating element. When you take this thing off, try to be careful that you don't damage the gasket. There's a little paper gasket on there. So it should just come right off. There it goes. There's another one on the bottom. So there's the heating element, and this is the relay for the heating element. So what we did was we used our multimeter tester, and when we turn it on electric, we get no power to the heating element and this relay. There's a couple other parts besides this control board over here that could go bad. There is a thermostat and some kind of a thermal fuse. We think those are good because it works on gas. So we think those other two should be good. So we got the electric switch on, and you can see we get no voltage. And then also I put it on this and I get no voltage either. So now what we're going to do is take this board off and put the new one on. So I'm just going to take these wires off just like that, and take this sensor here off. There's just a screw here and a screw here. Oops. So here's the old one, and here's the new one. You can see they're identical. And I already tested the 2-amp fuse in this old one, and it was good. So that's why I went ahead and ordered a new control panel. Just got to put it back in. There's that one. Got some mosquitoes. That one. Oh crap. I need to turn it off. Turn it on. You hear it click? Turn the power off before you take the thing off. I'm not a certified mechanic. Let me be straight on that one. That's all there is to it. Let's turn the power on and see if we get power. Go turn that switch on. All right. Got the board in. It's now the moment of truth. Okay, I heard it click. Have Deb hold the camera. Turn it to... And we got voltage. So we got the water heater fixed. So make sure that you have power to this wire before you order a control board. This wire right here, that wire should be hot. This wire here should be hot all the time because you could have a problem with your breaker. We hope you liked this video. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and we will see you on our next adventure. See ya!